Think of it. You're struggling to make ends meet, barely able to afford basic necessities like food and shelter. Yet somehow, you find yourself spending money on things that offer little to no real value. This is a common trap that many people fall into, and it can have a devastating impact on their financial health. Warren Buffett is a renowned investor and philanthropist known for his incredible wealth and business acumen. With decades of experience in the financial world, Buffett has developed a keen understanding of personal finance and the mistakes that people often make. His insights into money management are highly respected and sought after by people from all walks of life. Today, we're going to dive into 15 things that Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, believes poor people often waste their money on. By understanding these common pitfalls, you can take steps to improve your financial situation and build a brighter future. Are you ready to take control of your finances? Let's dive in. 15. Expensive cars. Many people purchase expensive cars to impress others or to enhance their perceived social status. However, these vehicles often come with hefty price tags and can be a significant financial burden. Luxury cars often require more frequent maintenance and repairs, which can lead to unexpected and costly expenses. Additionally, insurance premiums for these vehicles tend to be higher than for more affordable models. 14. Designer clothing and accessories. The fashion industry is constantly changing, and what is popular today may be out of style tomorrow. Investing in expensive designer clothing and accessories can be risky, as these items may quickly become outdated. While designer items can be stylish and well-made, they are often significantly more expensive than comparable items from other brands. Spending a large portion of your income on clothing and accessories can be a waste of money, especially if you don't need or use these items frequently. 13. Luxury vacations. Luxury vacations can involve high-end accommodations, gourmet meals, and extravagant activities which can lead to excessive spending. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a luxury vacation and lose track of your budget. If you're not careful, a luxury vacation can easily put you into debt. The cost of travel, accommodations, activities, and souvenirs can add up quickly, and it may take months or even years to pay off the debt. 12. Lottery tickets. The odds of winning the lottery are incredibly low, making it a highly unlikely way to make money. Despite this, millions of people purchase lottery tickets each week, hoping to strike it rich. The thrill of the lottery can be addictive, leading people to spend more money than they can afford. The promise of a life-changing jackpot can be difficult to resist, even when the odds are stacked against them. 11. Casino gambling. Casinos have a built-in advantage, known as the house edge, which ensures that they profit over time. This means that the odds are always in favor of the casino, making it difficult for players to win consistently. The excitement and atmosphere of a casino can lead to impulsive spending. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and lose track of your budget, resulting in significant financial losses. 10. Day trading and risky investments. Day trading requires a deep understanding of the financial markets and the ability to make quick decisions. Many people who attempt day trading lack the necessary knowledge and experience, which can lead to significant losses. The allure of quick profits can lead people to take on risky investments, hoping for a high reward outcome. However, these investments often come with a high degree of risk, and there's no guarantee of success. 9. Eating out frequently. Eating out frequently can be significantly more expensive than cooking meals at home. The cost of food, drinks, and tips can add up quickly, especially if you're dining out with friends or family. Restaurant meals often contain unhealthy ingredients such as excessive amounts of sodium, fat, and calories. Eating out too often can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. 8. Subscription services. Many people subscribe to a variety of services, such as streaming platforms, online storage, and fitness apps, but only use a small fraction of the features. These unused features can represent a waste of money, especially if you're paying for a premium subscription. Subscription services often involve recurring charges, which can be easy to forget about. If you're not careful, these charges can add up and significantly impact your budget. 7. Expensive cable or satellite TV packages. Many people pay for expensive cable or satellite TV packages but only watch a handful of channels. This can be a waste of money, especially if you're not using the full range of channels available. Cable and satellite TV providers often charge hidden fees such as equipment rental fees, early termination fees, and late payment fees. These fees can add to the overall cost of your subscription and reduce the value you receive. 6. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are both associated with a wide range of health problems, including cancer, heart disease, and liver damage. These health issues can lead to significant medical expenses and a reduced quality of life. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can be expensive habits. The cost of cigarettes, alcohol, and related healthcare expenses can put a strain on your finances. 5. Keeping up with the Joneses. The desire to keep up with friends, family, or neighbors can lead to unnecessary spending. When we constantly compare ourselves to others, we may feel pressure to purchase items or experiences that we don't really need or want. Trying to keep up with the Joneses can result in impulsive spending and a focus on material possessions. This can lead to financial stress and debt. 4. Impulse buying. Impulse buying is the act of making unplanned purchases, often driven by emotions or desires. This can lead to spending money on items that you don't need or that you'll regret later. Emotional spending can be a coping mechanism for stress, boredom, or other negative emotions. However, it can also lead to financial problems and a sense of regret. 3. Credit card debt. Credit cards often have high interest rates, which can make it difficult to pay off debt. If you're carrying a balance on your credit card, the interest charges can quickly accumulate, making it even harder to get out of debt. The debt cycle is a vicious cycle where you use your credit card to pay off bills, only to accumulate more debt and interest. This can be a difficult situation to break out of, and it can have a significant impact on your financial health. 2. Lack of an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Without an emergency fund, these expenses can force you to borrow money or sell assets, which can have serious financial consequences. An emergency fund can provide a sense of financial security and stability. It can help you weather financial storms and avoid making impulsive decisions when faced with unexpected expenses. 1. Not investing for the future. Not investing for the future can lead to missed opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation. Compound interest is a powerful tool that can help your money grow over time, but you need to start investing early to fully benefit from it. Compound interest is the interest earned on both your initial investment and the interest that has already accumulated. This can lead to significant growth over time, especially if you start investing early. We've explored 15 common financial mistakes that people often make based on the insights of Warren Buffett. These mistakes can have a significant impact on your financial health and your overall quality of life. It's important to remember that financial success is not about getting rich quickly or making impulsive decisions. Instead, it's about practicing financial discipline, planning for the future, and avoiding common pitfalls. By understanding and avoiding these mistakes, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. By taking these steps and avoiding the common mistakes we've discussed, you can improve your financial situation and achieve your long-term goals.